Hey, we just got to Half Moon Bay and we're just doing some last minute prepping. We have most of the stuff on the kayak and we'll head out soon. I'm ready, launch me. Whee! Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
Alright, we're heading out. You got two little minions.
Oh, nice! Woo! Hey-o!
Oh! That's a blue. We got one. Oh, that's a big one. Woo! Nice. Look at that guy. Oh my.
Bye, Turtle.
Hey, we just got back to shore after about 2 hours of paddling and pedaling back. But that was another fishing today.
Boom.
Big fat lingcod right here. Ding!
Oh my god, how did you get up there? Twirl. Come on. So right now I'm just getting ready because I'm going to a flower bouquet making class with a friend, and it's my first time doing it, so hopefully I could show you guys some footage of it later. See you guys soon.
Toro, what are you doing? Hello. Now you're all dirty again. Yeah, I agree. Looks like we're going down the stairs that she finally have long to go go through. Toro, again? Okay, let's go. Here's what we got for lunch. Some sushi rolls, some nigiri, unagi rice, and pork cutlet katsu.
We're going to the fish store to check out some fishing gear.
Dude, you can't even open it. You're so small. Wow.
I found a spider. I found the kids stuff. Can I get one?
That's way too big for you, dude.
Yeah. It's too big. I'm half of it.
Hi, so we just came back from San Jose and we got some goodies, but we totally forgot to show you guys before we start eating them. So we got some durian egg tarts, pandan egg tarts, banana mochi muffin, and kaya croissant, some drinks, and some bami sandwiches. Good morning.
Hi, it is now 4:12 a.m. and today is my company's fishing charter trip, so we're about to make our way down to Monterey and hopefully we can catch a lot of fishes today. So we'll see you guys there soon. Bye.
Bye. Ooh. Nice.
Oh shit, I think I hit.
There's one.
Unless I'm snagging. Oh. Unless it's a seaweed. Oh my god, if I pull the seaweed, I'll be snagged.
Oh, I think I got a snag or a seaweed. Oh, that's a snag.
Fish don't bite like this. We might be snagged.
Yeah. Dude, are we all snagged on something?
Yeah, we might be snagged.
Ooh.
Listen, baby. Also, it's not a snag.
release someone. Double, 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 double. Huh?
You're recording?
Oh yeah.
Hi.
But here's the fishy guys. Oh, there's
show
four.
this one too, show
And
this
this
one
one,
too.
this one too.
Ooh, the guys.
Yeah, the blue
big
ones.
guys.
Oh my god. Oh, lower my rod. Nice, ooh, we got. Oh! Oh,
Oh, nice.
yeah. No, we just to save the squid. It is heavy to that.